Did you know that if you crash into somebody but you're not claiming for your vehicle, you don't have to pay any excess? So we've just had a customer come in and the neighbours backed into him and they said, I just need the cheapest price you can possibly do. It's my neighbour that's paying for it and he just lost his jobs 2 weeks ago, so I'm just trying to help him out and do the best by him. Obviously it was just an accident. So I've just been outside, assessed the vehicle. I told him there's a way where I can repair this car and it not cost his neighbour a penny. I've just rang the at-fault customer and he's just told me that there's no damage on his van. So I've explained to him there's a way that we can fix this and it not cost him a penny now. Because there's no damage on his van, he doesn't need to claim against his vehicle. So we're going to claim against his insurance policy, but he won't have his excess to pay because you only pay your excess when you're claiming for your own vehicle. So our customer that's been in is getting their car repaired properly to manufacturer's methods using all genuine parts. But the best part about it, the person that's hit it, who unfortunately lost their job and hasn't got that much money at the minute, isn't spending a penny. So we've resolved both customers' problems. So if you find yourself in this situation where you've bumped someone's car or you need something repairing, give us a call, nip in and we'll take care of everything for you. Because here at Elite Motor Solutions, we don't just repair vehicles, we're here to take care of all your accident related problems.